Hello, my name is Piwa Rudo, a vocalist and instrumentalist. The song I'm about to perform for you is titled Ngizori. I hope you love it. I hope you enjoy it. It's a song that expresses beauty of African women, their strength and their resilience within who they truly are on the inside.
I was given the chance to, I'd embrace you, I'd caress you. Coming from my soul to my lips, I would cover you in melodies, in melodies. Runako rwako, runondishayisa mashoko. Urichifana nizo chedenga, uringirozi. Of the soil, come and dance with me and show me your magnificence, your African essence, your African essence. Doniamanzi, uyandipukisa. Doniamanzi, uyandipukisa. Doniamanzi, uyandipukisa. Uyandipukisa. Runako rwako, runondishayisa mashoko. Urichifana nizo chedenga, uringirozi.
Maita madube, maita majenjeje, maita gandare vasikana. Mutasa akachekwa zuva rikaora, maita madhube.
The artist that gives love, the woman that was broken to heal you. Thank you so much for listening to STRT FORTE. You can find me on all social media platforms at PiwaRudo. That's PiwaRudo. Thank you so much.